everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan. So I'm a little bit in mourning right now because my ring light died, you guys. Let's have a moment of silence. I pray for your ring light. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so I got these products I'm going to be reviewing today off of tonysnails.net, and I ordered this, and my order came up to like $59.55, but they only had like 2 of the glow powders that I ordered, so they refunded me $7.95. So I ended up paying like about, I think, $51.60 for everything. That's rough. I don't know if it's the right amount, but I'm not great. I didn't get an A+ at maths. So anyway, let's get this going. This I'm not too savvy about. Look at that. You can see it running around in the bottle. Is this supposed to be like this? Please comment in the comment section if this is supposed to be running like this, or I should return it and get my money back. Because I know this is not how cuticle remover is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a liquid. It's supposed to be at least a creamy consistency. But maybe I've never bought this before, and I paid this one. I paid $5.95 for, and I'm very disappointed because it's like water in a bottle. Okay, but these I like. They're both. This one is called Why So Flashy, and it's GL2044, and this is Glam and Glitz, the glow powders. This one is High Ahora GL2008, and it's also Glam and Glitz, and it's from the Glow collection, and they're both 1 ounces, which is roughly 28 grams. These are the 100 file, and these are the square type, and I'm gonna open this right here on camera, and they're not too bad. It wasn't too expensive. These I paid, these are the jumbo files, and they're $9.50 for the 50. So I don't think that was too bad of a price for these. That wasn't too bad. I also got these Zebra 100, and they're also 50 pieces, but this is, you know, it came basically ripped apart, so I just poured them in here, but it's also not bad, and I paid $6.99 for those also. So other than this lasted cuticle remover, I'm okay with my purchase. But please comment in the comment section below if this is supposed to be like this, or I should just send it back and get my money back, because that's $6. Okay, I'm just gonna, it's like an upsetting day for me right now. But I'm kind of, it's my birthday in a couple of days, so my husband asked me what I wanted, and I told him I wanted a practice hand, so he purchased this for me. It came in the mail today, and let's open it up and see what he got. Okay, so it seems like my taping had got cut off, so I ended up had to open these up off camera, and now I'm just gonna reveal to you what I got in this Poochiez nail realistic hand. And here we go. So there is the hand, and I think this is the Bella, because there wasn't a invoice with my order. I'm sorry, I'm kind of stuttery right now, so sorry. Yeah, there wasn't an invoice with my order, so I have to guess that this is Bella. I'm not sure that that's who she is. But I think this is Bella, and oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. And the sizing of this hand is real to the T. Look at that. This is the size of my hand. So it's not, it looks so small, but then I put it on my hand. That's how I know my hand's small. Anyways, here is the hand. Isn't she beautiful? And I'm gonna stand her right here because she stand by herself. So let me pull it down so you can see her. There she goes. She's standing on her own, guys. And I also got this Poochiez nail detail brush. This came in the bag with the other stuff. And this is their detail brush. And it's, my husband paints and my daughter paints and she draws. So I guess they're trying to tell me that I need to, because he bought these. So okay. And ooh, I also received this number 12 Poochiez nail 100 Kalinsky acrylic brush, and oh my god, this looks like amazing. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to try it out. I know it's kind of stiff right now because of the product that they used to send it, but I'm gonna try that out. And I also got this. If you hear some noise in the background, that's my son. Hold on a second. Jamil, could you please close the door, please, and be quiet? I'm taping right now. Could you be quiet, please? Thank you. I also have this black and white Poochiez gel paint. So I'm gonna try those out with my new detail brush. I have this primer here, and it's not regular primer, it's just for the realistic practice hand. And she said, like, if I remove, like, I soaked off the nails and I wanted to adhere more nails to the hand, you would use the primer first before you use the glue, so you could prime the hand. Okay, this is also what I got in my purchase. I got this drill bit, and it's a medium smooth top safety bit. It's 3/33 inches, I guess. I'm not sure. Look, I don't know. If y'all can figure that out, what those numbers mean, then yeah, go ahead, have at it. Anyways, there we go. I like this. I'm gonna try it out on one of my fingers. Okay, this is my hand that I'm currently using. So let's see how this drill bit works. Okay, woo, yes. That's very nice. Very nice. And then this is the nice part about this, guys. If it touches the skin like so, you know, like if you get close to your client, it won't hurt them. So that's a good feature, you know. I won't be getting any bleeders, but you still have to be very careful with these things because it's still a very fast moving tool and you can hurt somebody. So be safe and be careful and watch yourself. Okay. Oh, and if I didn't do this part yet, this is the carrying case for the extra tips that I got for my Poochiez nail hand. And I got, I think it's 20 to a bag, and I got from a 0 to the number 9 in here, and there are 20 pieces a bag, so it's 200 altogether. So I'm really thankful and grateful that my husband is so awesome to have purchased this beautiful realistic hand for my birthday. Thank you, Damien. I really appreciate you. I really thank you. You enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget, love is everything. So keep loving each other, guys. Bye.